My name is Cameron.
And I'm Sheldon.
And we're students at Turner Tech. And EdFed came to our school to host their super fun financial reality fair.
Picture this: freshmen traveling into the future, adulting and managing their potential family budget.
Part of the budget includes visiting different merchants and buying things like a home, a car, and food.
They also get a good understanding of credit and paying off debt.
What's our part in this, you ask? Well, as EdFed student volunteers, we are the mall merchant, and our job is to upsell them on high-ticket items, trying to tempt them to treat themselves and to throw their budget off track.
By the time the game ends, the plan is for everyone to have some spare cash. But honestly, not everyone sticks to their budget. Students get thrown into a realistic budget and realize they can't spend everything they want.
Volunteering at this workshop not only transformed our business development skills, but also helped the students understand how important having a budget can be. It's a total win-win.
Big shout out to FF for this awesome interactive workshop.